Good morning, everybody. This is Doug Wolf, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Town Center in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Today is Monday, and Monday is the day that we bring you the Southside Hampton Roads Market Update. The market update for Southside Hampton Roads consists of the cities of Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Virginia Beach. These are statistical numbers that we do every week, and we compare them to last week so that we can see the trend line of what these numbers are doing. We do this every Monday for the Southside Hampton Roads, and then on Fridays we do specifically the city of Virginia Beach and its statistical numbers. So this market update is designed for you to understand where we are as far as the trend line goes, as far as comparing prices. If you're a buyer, where are prices going up? Are they going down? Is it a good time to buy? If you're a seller, is it a good time to sell? Or is the market leveled out yet, or is it still growing as far as inventory goes? And what are the prices doing in the days on market if you're looking to sell a house? So those are the numbers that we're going to be looking at. As I said, it's in this specific 4 cities. We're combining all that information together. So let's get right to the numbers. Currently active listings, it's about 11:30. I just pulled this information off of our multiple listing system. Currently active listings for those 4 cities, 6,946. That number is up from last week when it was 6,937. How are those numbers broken down? Well, we have single family homes and townhomes and condos. Single family homes, 4,887. Of those properties are currently on the market, single family. That number's up 3 from last week, so we grew in inventory a little bit. And price range has pretty much stayed the same, $29,000 as a low, up to $8.9 million as a high for homes that are for sale in those 4 cities. The attached homes, which are condos and townhomes, that number currently on the market, 2,060 properties currently on the market that are either a townhome or a condo, 2,060. That number's up 8, so that number's increasing as well, which makes sense. This time of year, we certainly see an increase in inventory. Supply and demand, you got to price your house right to move it in this market right now, because inventory is increasing. For the townhomes and condos, low $50,000, high $2 million. So that is our price range on those. Another category that we keep out separate of the active listings, but they are active listings, are the REOs, short sales, and foreclosures. Currently, that number, 1,305 properties on the market for those 4 cities. And that number is actually down 3 from last week, which is kind of odd to see the number actually decreasing in inventory for REOs, short sales, and foreclosures. With all that we've heard that they're going to be increasing, that number is down a little bit. Looking at the pendings and solds for April, so far for the month of April, we have 910 properties have gone into the status of either pending or sold from the active status. That number is up 350 units since last Monday. So, wow. We're going to say that that has to do with the $8,000 tax credit, which expires on April 30th. So huge growth in that, 350 properties. How does that break down? Pendings, 853 properties have gone pending so far in the month of April. That number is up 319 since last Monday. So big jump. Solds, 57. That number's up 31. So 57 properties have closed so far in the month of April. 31 of those closed in the last 7 days. And what's the dollar average for those? $242,095 is the dollar average, and the days on market for that, average days on market, 107 days. Looking at just as an important number of the year-to-date solds, 2,047 properties have sold year-to-date so far in those 4 cities combined, 2,047. So people are buying, sellers are selling real estate in this market. Average dollar price for those that have sold, $235,048, and the average days on market, 87 days. So if you're priced a little higher than that, you're above the average for those 4 cities. If you're priced a little low, you're below that. For buyers, fantastic time to buy. Interest rates are still at a record low. You have a little bit of time to get in for the tax credit, but that should not be the only reason that you buy a house. take advantage of something that's going to last a lot longer, and that's a very, very low interest rate and prices that are very, very low for this time of a year when we see such an increase in inventory. Sellers, you've got to take into account more houses coming on the market. It's certainly a lot of competition out there. So if you'd like more information, if you'd like to see the graph of this, please give me a phone call, 757-515-4728, or you can shoot me an email, dougwolf@bettercalldoug.com. Visit the website, bettercalldoug.com. We are back on Friday with the Virginia Beach update, and we'll be back next Monday with this update and with the new numbers. Make it a great day.